Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Everybody should know about the spiral tool, and you can set as many curls as you want, and you can get that right there. But you've only got one end in the middle and one end on the outside. If you ever wanted to make one with two ends on the outside, all you have to do, and it's pretty easy, just take your 2-point line and go down to your drop shadow flyout and go to the distort. Now, normally when I do something, I use a zipper, but this time I'm going to use twister. And then you can just set how many times you want to twist it, from 4 to 5 to more. This is a pretty cool, let's say, effect. Now let's tell you what, let's rotate it 45 degrees, no, 90 degrees. So those two angles are on the side. And let's make it something thicker than, well, that's too thick. Let's make it something like that. And then let's go to object and convert the outline to an object. And then let's make it red. And at that time, I believe we can use, and I'm just, to make the video a little bit more interesting, use the interactive fill tool to kind of give it some different look. But anyway, if you ever wanted to make a twisting motion like that, I'm going to put a black box around it. It can give you that effect, and that can be cleaned up in the middle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.